I'm an angel investor looking at early stage high-tech companies. And in addition to that, I'm also doing a lot of charity work. My focus on charity work is really about how to improve the science education. So this is the reason that brought me to Lahore Science Mela, because I really wanted to learn more about how science education is conducted in Lahore Science Mela in a large country like Pakistan. A Science Mela is important to give children exposure to different aspects of science, and will help them to build the interest in science and bring up their curiosity. What I feel special about Lahore Science Mela is that I have seen a lot of young volunteers. They are here to present their science projects. And some of them are actually eager to grab me over to tell me their stories, the details about their science project. I think this is very important for them to demonstrate their passion, interest in science, and to tell other people about their projects. This also help practice their presentation skill, their confidence in public speaking. So if I think about the future of Lahore Science Mela, there are several things. One is Lahore Science Mela can become a brand name, can spread out within Pakistan to go to other cities and even rural areas in Pakistan. And they can go to other countries. They can share their best experience, best practice. Of course, the success of Lahore Science Mela needs a lot of supporters. And I'm honored to say that I'm also one of the founders of Lahore Science Mela, and because of my passion in science education. So I hope more and more people will see the importance of science communication, will see the success of Lahore Science Mela, and will help to support the Lahore Science Mela and help it to grow bigger and bigger.